1. The oldest known living organism on Earth is a 5,000-year-old tree named Methuselah. It can be found in the White Mountains of California, USA. 2. The shortest war in history took place between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. It lasted only 38 minutes. 3. The world's largest maize is located in Hawaii, USA. The Dole Plantation maize covers over 3 acres and has more than 14,000 native Hawaiian plants. 4. The world's largest collection of bicycles is housed in the Wielerama National Bicycle Museum in the Netherlands. It contains over 13,000 bicycles. 5. The smallest mammal in the world is the bumblebee bat, also known as Kitty's hog-nosed bat. It weighs about the same as a dime and can be found in Thailand and Myanmar. 6. The country with the most pyramids in the world is Sudan, not Egypt. Sudan is home to more than 200 pyramids, mostly located in the ancient city of Meroe. 7. The longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. This fact was established during an experiment where a chicken was launched into the air with a small aircraft. 8. The first known recipe for a chocolate drink dates back to the Mayans in the 8th century. They mixed ground cacao beans with water, chili peppers, and spices to create a bitter beverage. 9. The town of Nagoro in Japan has a population of over 350 scarecrows and only around 300 human residents. The scarecrows were created by a local artist to replace the declining population. 10. The world's largest collection of banana labels is held by a man named Wout van Veek from the Netherlands. He has collected over 30,000 different banana labels from around the world. I hope you find these niche facts interesting.